So for my case, I started with C, C++. I barely understood anything, but at least enough for me to build a very simple game. Let me see if I can find a clip. This might be it. Oh, it's there. Huh. So this is a Korean book that I started out with. It's irrelevant. It's irrelevant because nobody reads Korean here. So this is like one of the very first games I made ever. I think this was more like C. If I remember correctly, this was actually written in C, I think. It's been too long to remember. I mean, this is all I had. It's got rotation, some transform values, projectiles flying, and that's it. That's all there is. Very simple game, but it was enough for me to get started, and I wanted to learn more. So I went down the rabbit hole. So this was 3D. I think this was in C++. I forgot. So this was DirectX, I think. Probably. So this is way more advanced than the 2D game. Right. But whatever you do, you start small and you work your way up. That's my point.